My name is Louie. Today I've got
Damon with Premier RV. How's it going?
Yeah, I see you changed your shirt.
I got a Tommy Bahama shirt on today.
It's Aloha Friday.
Okay.
All right. So what do we got today?
We got a 2021 33BR Allegro Breeze.
Yeah, super clean.
Mm-hmm.
Again, this is one of those where why buy new when you can buy a nice pre-owned diesel pusher.
Yeah, debugged, pre-owned, and shorty too. So.
Yeah, and the height is not very tall, Damon.
11.8 is ride height on this. 33.2 is the length. So you still have 78 inches of the interior height with a sharp T.
Yeah, I think for a lot of people that have garage doors at 12 feet,
12-foot door.
This will just slide right in there.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
But no, it's super clean. We're going to go over this video, but again, we're in our indoor showroom here.
Yes.
And we've got lots of new coaches here. They just all rolled in at once.
Yeah, we're almost full.
So,
but we got a lot that are sold too, so we'll be low soon. So keep bringing them in.
we appreciate everyone allowing us to sell their coaches for them, and so.
Yep.
Especially the clean ones.
Yeah, and they want them indoors and plugged in. So we only have to wash them one time, and the batteries stay fully charged, no dead batteries. So makes a big difference.
That's kind of our niche. It has to be clean.
Yes.
There can't be problems. There can't be water damage. There can't be all these other things that you look for.
Nope. Don't want them.
If not, we what? We send them down the street?
We send them down the street.
All right, so let's pull this up a little bit, get the whole outside. But yeah, it's paint's in great condition.
Yeah.
So we'll do that real quick.
All right.
All right, we got the awning coming out, Damon.
I hear it.
We've got a little Gerard action with the LED light.
Yeah.
Super nice.
Color is Rocky Mountain, what they call the outside color on this Breeze.
Rocky Mountain.
Rocky Mountain.
I like that.
So they built this on their own chassis called the Powerliner. It has independent front
The
suspension.
PowerGlide?
PowerGlide?
Yeah.
Okay. PowerGlide. It has IFS in the front with air disc brakes.
Yeah.
202-inch wheelbase.
202?
202. Yeah.
Huh. For a 33-footer. So what's the fuel tank?
70 gallons.
Yep. But look at this nice big door.
Yeah. Got the pet window.
The pet window. Nice steps coming in. You know, when you just open that door and you smell newness. You smell that? I know you can't smell much.
I can't
can
smell
you?
very good, but
Well, you could smell the fabrics just from that. This thing is in really good condition inside and out, just to point that out.
it appears that way.
Yeah, paint's in excellent condition, but boy, they do a nice job with their paint lines and everything. Looks
The old
nice.
Rocky Mountain.
Rocky Mountain. Yeah.
Yeah.
What do we got? Some storage here. We got some batteries.
We got some batteries on a slide tray. House batteries.
Looks like we got some kind of charging system
Little
to
Echo
the.
charger if they're going to be
Yeah.
parked. They want to just plug that in instead of the whole motorhome.
So that'll charge your cranking batteries when you're parked.
Then you got a disconnect on this side for the house batteries.
Looks like a Magnum inverter there.
Yep. Some nice storage there and here. The sewer hose has slid across to this side. Nice Rhino.
And that comes with it. And in this bay, I bet you we got some holding tanks, huh?
We do. We got
What-
black and gray, 55 gray, 31 black.
Huh, not bad for a
Oh.
shorty.
We walked right past that outside entertainment center, Lou.
Oh my gosh.
You were supposed to get that. I got the lower doors.
I know it's Friday. I know you're ready to get out of here. I mean,
Oh, we got a
is
couple
it
more
3
hours.
o'clock yet?
Somewhere it is.
Huh. So we got a little LG TV. Looks 32 to me.
Yeah, sound bar, remote.
Sound bar. That's nice.
Next to the propane furnace. Boy, that's a wide kitchen window.
Yeah, but I like the window. It's nice, huh?
Dual pane. Get into some of these rear bays, chassis batteries.
Tires are original, right?
Yeah, Michelin's, and they are original. Then you got your service bay back here, all your engine components and engine ECM, transmission, exhaust. Nice ladder right up the back. That's pretty interesting. A washer dryer vent in the back of the motorhome.
Yep.
Air intake on the left, backup camera in the middle. Look at that Lazy Days chrome emblem. Now we should be getting something like this, Lou.
Yeah.
A little Premier RV with a phone number.
Where's Gary when you need him?
That's really nice. They did that well.
Yeah, no, that looks nice. Lazy Day's still around, Damon.
They are.
I know
Tampa, right?
They've been selling a lot of stores. No, yeah, they started in Tampa and then they started buying all the dealerships, but yeah. What's that, 10,000 pounds?
5.
5.
Yeah, 5,000-pound hitch.
Nice. No, it's super clean though.
I know you were up on the roof earlier. You said you saw a solar panel, huh?
Yeah, it looked like a 200-watt solar panel.
Okay.
We got a surge protector.
Yeah, and transfer switch all built into one. And that bay is where you house the 50-amp cord. Second furnace above that.
Yeah, 2 separate zones. A little air conditioning, huh?
That's probably the dash AC condenser with an electric fan blowing on it.
Yeah.
Some low point valves. And behind this door is
A little def.
a little DEF fluid. Plumbing bay. 70 gallons of fresh water, 55 gray, 31 black. Central vac, Dirt Devil.
So what's up with the blue squeegee things or these cushion things?
You know, I've never seen that before. That is a
Yeah.
homeowner special, and
No,
I'm not sure what the thought process. We'll have to call the owner and find out.
Yeah.
We'll learn something new.
Yeah. Everyone's taking notes on that one.
This is interesting. Refrigerator.
Well, of course.
Okay. So, not vented. We'll have to see what kind of refrigerator we got in here. Maybe it's
We'll wait till we get inside, Damon.
okay.
Should we,
Another nice pass-through storage door. These doors are fairly high for being under a slide out. Propane tank is right here.
I like how they did the awnings here to give the protection
Yeah.
to the slide rooms themselves, keep the debris off, Gerard, topper awnings.
Yeah.
Nice and tight, so that's nice. Good colors though.
Yeah.
Got some fuses here.
The old front run bay.
What kind of generator we got?
Well, I'm hoping it's diesel. We got diesel fuel fill over
Yep.
here.
Could fill from either side. It's got side view cameras up on the mirrors also.
What?
Is there a button here for the...
I bet there's a pull handle on the top right corner.
All right, what kind of generator we got here? There must be some kind of handle here.
There's a handle hid up on the breezes that's in the front of this bay, up high.
It took us a while to figure that one out, but we had to do a little
Well, because
editing.
you were looking.
Yeah.
So,
Thanks, pal.
yeah. Onan 6,000 watt.
Yep. Look how clean it is in here, though.
It is.
This is a good place for washing the front windshield there.
It's got 52.3 hours
Wow.
on the gen.
I mean, it doesn't roll out, but all these generators are serviced from underneath it anyway, so.
Yep.
But
Looks good.
yeah. The diamond shield's in really good condition.
Good looking front cap, the headlight design and the chrome trim.
Yeah, super nice looking coach. paint's in excellent condition. Definitely well maintained. It passed the smell test.
I like the windshield too. It really fits in there nice.
Yeah,
Looks like it's urethaned in.
it is. All right, let's go inside, Damon.
Sounds good.
All right, we made it inside. What do you think?
It's a pretty modern, really light and bright interior.
Yeah, I really like the cabinets. I know we tried to research what they're called, but kind of a grayish painted cabinet.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
But boy, it really goes with the interior.
it does.
This is beautiful inside.
Looks like MCD shades. We do have an electric refrigerator. That's why that door outside was invented.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
Fireplace, mid-TV.
Hey, this thing's got everything, Damon. Look at the flooring. Really nice colors.
Mm-hmm. LVT flooring, front to back.
But I really like the dash. You know, the digital dash here is really cool. And like you said earlier, it's got the Allison transmission, 6-speed.
It's got a 6-speed Allison and air leveling, auto air leveling. It has smart wheel with your lights and cruise control. Nice cup holder down there.
It's got the Mobileye collision avoidance there
Mm-hmm.
up front.
Yep.
But boy, everything is set very nicely with the backup camera and all your gauges.
It is. Yep. And you got the MCD shades up here too.
Yeah. Both seats will rotate around. You got a power footrest also.
Mm-hmm. The leather's in great condition.
Got a nice cup holder here, and then there's a little cup holder down here.
Yeah, there's another one in here with a bunch of spare keys.
But yeah, no, I think you're right. It's very modern. I like the dash.
Mm-hmm.
Everything's really, really clean. He definitely took care of it. It's got pretty low miles. What is it, 20,000 miles? So.
Yes. 11,000, I think.
Oh.
No, 20,000.
Yeah.
20,000.
That was the other one.
That was the other one.
Yeah.
Yep.
But boy, look at the kitchen for a shorty. Really nice size galley, huh?
It's very deceiving because of this wall cabinet module. It looks like a kitchen counter that just goes on forever.
Yeah, and this is more of a workstation. So it's the dinette, but it's also a workstation where it has a flip down lid here where you can put your laptop and stuff. So, and then
Did
you're
your
going to get
research, Lou?
good storage underneath. Maybe a little printer here, Damon.
Yeah, another rollout.
Yeah, when you see the depth of that, that's more of a... But they're utilizing the space really, really well. For a 33-footer, Damon, this has a king-size bed.
I saw that.
I mean...
70 by 80.
That's crazy, huh?
What are powers? Oh, these are all your multiplex lights. These window shades, are they manual or power? I'm thinking they're power. This one's manual. Wonder how you do that kitchen shade. That must be a power one, huh?
We'll have to figure that out. Hide-a-bed here.
Yep.
And of course, you see the TV with these rotating around, lots of seating.
Mm-hmm. Nice
Which is
fireplace.
But it really cleans up your front dash where you don't have a TV here.
Yeah.
So your viewing is excellent if you're in a good parking spot.
A little bit of storage there.
Yeah, I think it's...
Inverters up here.
Yeah,
And looks like it's got a solar controller.
yeah. No, good storage throughout.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to have a 3-burner cooktop or 2? We're going to have a 3.
3.
I like the colors of the countertops. Good storage here. Some good height there, Damon.
Yeah, those are good sized cabinets.
We've got a double sink. I'm looking for an electric switch for that, but you see that, or is that manual?
Well, it's manual. Yeah.
There you go.
I got some Scoot guard,
Yeah.
full extension drawer glides,
Yeah.
and they're good size.
Good storage underneath here. Got a little pull out here and a little bit of storage here, so they're utilizing the space rather well. So how many slides on this? 2?
3.
3. Yeah.
We got a central vac connection right here by your feet, Jack. Another multiplex lighting module. Side bath.
Two roof airs on here.
Mm-hmm. This is a pocket door for the side bath.
And then there's another pocket door here for the bedroom. But there you go, king size bed. That thing's huge. And you were talking about the washer dryer. It's a combo unit, Damon.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
But to have a king bed and a washer dryer and a 33 footer, that's pretty
Yeah.
impressive. And you still gain lots of storage back here.
Yeah, that's a nice deep closet.
They've done a nice job with the space. That's not easy to build a 33 and have this much storage.
Yeah. A lot of storage up there.
Is there anything underneath this bed? Got 2 folding chairs.
Yeah. All kinds of storage under there.
Looks like some kind of extra tile there.
Mm-hmm.
But boy, they finished off everything very nicely.
They did.
It's going to be a foam mattress.
We've got another touch screen. So your lighting, bedroom, hall, backlight. And then we've got individual lighting, air conditioning, and heat, vent fans, slide outs.
And we have the build sheet on this coach. So.
Oh, we do? Great.
Yeah.
All right.
So if you're interested in it, let us know. We could send you the manufacturer's list of all the options that are selected on this coach. It seems like it's got everything on it. So.
It has a lot packed in a 33 foot, that's for sure.
All right. Again, hit the subscribe button.
It's free. Thank
Thanks
you.
for watching.